Hi folks, this is Sean McCormick and I've got a little tip for you on creating tilt shift photographs using just Lightroom. Now, to do this we're going to use the graduated filter tool, which you can click in the tool strip, or you can use the shortcut key M to get to it. Now we can see I've got a pin visible here, so what I'm going to show you what that is very quickly before we start is I've just darkened the sky, so you can just see what that's doing, the effect of that, before we go any further. So to create the tilt shift effect we need blurring. Now in Lightroom 3 there was a slight change to way sharpness works in local adjustments and the graduated filter, and that is below -50 it goes from the removal of sharpness to actual blurring, so it actually creates a lens blur effect when you bring it down. So we're going to bring it down the whole way to -100. And in this one what I want the mountains to remain sharp and I want the rest to get blurred, everything has to get blurred. So just drag up from the bottom and we can see that everything at the bottom is now blurred. So I'm just going to put that in position. I'm going to click New. I'm going to do the same thing, pulling down from the top. Again, I'm doing it at an angle, so they're at roughly the same angle. Just want to get the area sharpness in the right place. Now that essentially would be us finished, but because the tilt shift is generally really narrows the plane of focus and it sets it off at an angle, the fall off of the lens blur is actually a little bit stronger. So what we could do is we could actually come along here, click New again, and we could just from the bottom just add in a really long one that just makes the bottom part go out of focus even more. And then the same again just in from the top. So we just have a little bit coming in from the top just to make that bit even more blurred. So there you go. That's how you can create tilt shift in Lightroom.